Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. On this episode of Crazy Good Adventures, we're at the Short Springs State Natural Area, and we're taking our grandson Tyler on his first trip chasing waterfalls. Ty came up from Texas. It's his first time in Tennessee. Today we're in the Tullahoma area heading out to Machine Falls, and we're glad you're coming along. The first glimpse of the falls is from the overlook, and I think Ty just realized he's not in Texas anymore. Coming around the last corner and seeing the first full view of the waterfall was pretty special. I think we might have a new waterfall fan on our hands. We spent a good amount of time at Machine Falls and just enjoying the falls, and then we had this long hike back up to the top. Getting ready for our next adventure, which is just 5 minutes away, to Rutledge Falls. Rutledge Falls is the local swimming hole in the area and is really popular. The place was crowded. From the parking lot, it's just a couple of 100 yards to the falls, and we were met by this young lady. Like I said, the place was crowded, so getting a good video was hard to do. Yeah. All in all, it was a pretty good day. Enjoyed chasing waterfalls with Tyler, and we'll do it again. Well, that's the video, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave us a comment. And always remember to make every day a crazy good adventure. Thanks again.